Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to treat emails from specific senders as spam in IONOS Webmail. And what I want you to do once you're logged into your IONOS Webmail dashboard, come to the top right and click on the secure cog to access settings, okay? And then click here on all settings. Now what I want you to do here from the navigation panel in the left, make sure you come here and click on anti-spam. And I want you to go ahead, and of course this needs to be on, right? And just come here under personal lists. So you will see right here blocked senders. So what you need to do is just go ahead and enter the email addresses that you would like to add to the list of blocked senders. So let me go ahead and type it in. All right, so that's one. And I'll show you something else as well. So if you want to go ahead and block a whole specific domain at once, let's say an organization, okay? What you do, you just come here and add an asterisk first, and then you enter their string like this, at whatever domain they have, .com, right, or .co.uk, for example. And then what you want to do right here, once this is done, you can just close the settings window, and it will be applied automatically. And that is how to treat emails from specific senders as spam in IONOS Webmail.